the chicken. So now I add butter, and then you have to make it well. So our buttered chicken is ready. So it's very tasty and very crispy. You have Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to cook delicious crispy buttered chicken. First, I add fish sauce, oyster sauce, Leah Friends, and lemon powder, and beef powder, and also black pepper, Himalayan salt, and chicken powder, 2 eggs, fresh garlic, and also flour, and beef powder or beef stock, and brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, and fish sauce. Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and more onion powder, and you have to mix it well. So you can add also cornstarch if you have, but I ran out the cornstarch. I just add the flour. So you have to mix it well. And then I marinated that 4 hours, put the inside the refrigerator, and then add flour, add also paprika, salt a little bit, and beef powder. Now I put the frying pan to make hot the oil, and then you have to coat it the drumstick of chicken legs with the flour. So now the oil is ready. You have to put the chicken or drumstick. So it's look really good, guys. No, you have to try. It's very delicious. So now I put the second batch, and then I did double fried the chicken. So now I add butter, and then you have to make it well. So our buttered chicken is ready. So it's very tasty and very crispy. You have to try, guys. It's very delicious. Thank you to all subscribers, silent viewers. Don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload the video, you always updated. Thank you and God bless.